Hey, this is Ryzen Tech. Today we're going to know about what is GeForce RTX 4090 is. If this is the first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. NZXT N7 B550 Savvy Controls. The N7 B550 incorporates key elements from our RGB and fan regulator, permitting natural control of 4 RGB lighting channels and 7 fan channels through NZXT cam. Staggering craftsmanship. The metal cover is accessible in white or dark for a consistent look that mixes out of spotlight of any NZXT H-series case for a perfect tasteful. Assemble made simpler. The N7's design smooths out establishment with a coordinated back I/O safeguard and ideally positioned headers for more straightforward arrangement. Highlights. The N7 B550 incorporates a front board USB 3.2 Gen 2 Sort C, Wi-Fi 6 network, and uses all PCI Express paths accessible from the central processor and chipset. Similarity, supports AMD attachment AM4 Ryzen processors, 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. NZXT's initial introduction to AMD motherboards is a triumph. Coming in slow off the mark permitted the organization to execute criticism from its Intel sheets, adding more USB ports to the back I/O. The extra time additionally permitted NZXT to execute state-of-the-art Wi-Fi 6E2, close by 2.5 GB. Beyond that, the appearance changed altogether from the organization's past sheets, with covers ruling the surface and a shortfall of onboard RGBs. On the elements side, the new board incorporates PCI 4.0 help, Wi-Fi 6E capacity, 6 SATA ports, and by client/media demand, much more USB ports on the back I/O. The N7 B550 power conveyance, while not the most hardy we've seen, upholds the lead Ryzen 9 5950X during stock tasks and keeping in mind that overclocked. The deferral to advertise had a few advantages, with Wi-Fi specifically. The capacity to utilize 6E separates this board from the rest. The VRM framework is correspondingly fit for a board costing this much. A 12 plus 2 stage arrangement, with 58 GHz, will give sufficient capacity to any possible overclock, even with the 5950X. Any worry we had in regards to the cooling of the VRM was lightened after looking into it further. Under the white covering, the heatsink is for sure huge with bunches of thin surface region. A speedy test with our 5800X saw a pinnacle VRM temp of 50 degrees Celsius with PBO empowered. That is a decent outcome. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button.